developer. Most of my life I've been an added value commercial guy. Buy, fix up, and sell commercial properties. And you should get excited because right now, California again is leading the nation in foreclosures.
That's why I'm here.
That's right. So there's deals coming up. And I say commercial. Keep in mind that commercial by definition is 5 units and up. So it can be as small as a 5-unit building. So they don't all have to be $20, $30 million, although I'd love to do those deals too. But the opportunities are coming up for the next couple of years, so get ready for these, and I'd be happy to help you with anything that you run across, because I've done this for 40 years and know how to take a problem property, turn it into a successful property, buy and hold, or sell it, and take your quick profits and go on to the next one. So I'm also building houses right now, so if you have any interest in joining me in building some houses, which is a pretty safe investment at the moment, let me know.
Building SoCal?
Yes.